Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I've brought you some hidden gem kitchen gadgets that are not only going to make your kitchen work super easy, but also add a touch of smartness and innovation to your space. And guess what? You can grab these amazing gadgets at super affordable prices from the links in the description box below. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support gives us the motivation to bring you more amazing content. So let's dive right into the video without wasting any time. Number 1. 5-in-1 Multipurpose Chopper. Tired of spending forever chopping veggies? The 5-in-1 Multipurpose Chopper is your kitchen's best friend. With its unbreakable food-grade body and easy push-to-clean button, it slices, dices and chops in seconds. Prep like a pro, fast, clean and hassle-free. Number 2. Rolling grilling basket for BBQs struggling to flip veggies, fries or fish on the grill. Meet the rolling grilling basket. This stainless steel BBQ essential ensures even cooking without mess. Load it up, roll it on the grill and enjoy perfectly grilled food every time. Your outdoor picnics just got a major upgrade. Number 3. 3-stage knife sharpener. Are blunt knives ruining your cooking experience? Enter the 3-stage knife sharpener. Its innovative design sharpens, hones and polishes your blades in minutes. Stage 1 repairs, Stage 2 sharpens and Stage 3 polishes to perfection. Whether you're prepping meat or slicing veggies, this tool ensures razor-sharp precision every time. Safe, easy and built for all steel knives. It's a must-have for every kitchen. Number 4. Deep fryer pot. Japanese tempura. Is fried food turning soggy or unevenly cooked? The Japanese tempura deep fryer pot is here to save the day. With its built-in thermometer and oil drip drainer rack, you get perfectly crispy fries and tempura every time. Compact, stainless steel and efficient. Frying just got an upgrade. Number 5. 2-in-1 soap pump dispenser. Messy countertops and wasted soap? Fix it with the 2-in-1 soap pump dispenser. This smart gadget combines a soap dispenser and sponge holder, delivering just the right amount of soap with the one press. Compact, sleek and perfect for your kitchen or bathroom, it's a game changer for cleaning. Number 6. Kitchen sink glass rinser. Hate scrubbing bottles and glasses? The kitchen sink glass rinser has you covered. This faucet attachment sprays high-pressure water jets, cleaning every corner of your glassware effortlessly. Quick, efficient and perfect for your kitchen. Make washing up a breeze. Number 7. Vacuum sealer machine. Is food spoiling too soon? The vacuum sealer machine locks in freshness, whether it's dry or wet foods. This compact and automatic gadget keeps everything sealed airtight. Save money, reduce waste and enjoy fresh food longer. With full customer support, it's the smart choice for every kitchen. Number 8. Herb Saver Pod for refrigerator. Fresh herbs wilting in days? The Herb Saver Pod keeps them fresh for weeks. Mint, parsley, asparagus. Store them in this compact pod and enjoy vibrant, flavorful greens every time you cook. It's fridge-friendly and a must-have for herb lovers. Number 9. Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Tired of manually grinding spices? Meet the Gravity Electric Grinder Set. Battery-powered and LED lit. It grinds salt and pepper with a tilt of your hand. Adjustable roughness and sleek design make it a stylish, effortless upgrade to your kitchen. Perfect seasoning is now just a tilt away. Number 10. Commercial muslin cheese cloth bag. Struggling with straining tasks? The commercial muslin cheese cloth bag is your solution. Made from unbleached cotton, it's perfect for juicing, making paneer, curd or straining spices. Durable, reusable and versatile, your kitchen just got more efficient. So guys, these were some awesome kitchen gadgets to make your life easier and your kitchen smarter. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And yes, if you want to grab any of these gadgets, the purchase links are in the description box below. See you next time with more amazing finds. Happy cooking!